Hey everybody, welcome back. This is going to be part 2 of our chicken tractor build, Joel Salatin style. As you notice in part 1, if you have not seen that video just yet, I'll try to remember to put a link in the description so that we can go back and check that one out. But as you remember in part 1, we assembled behind me here roughly an 8x13, 8x14 PVC style chicken tractor. Today we have all the structure done, so today we're going to work on putting the poultry netting around the sides and maybe screwing in the PVC pieces and stuff. I've been thinking about maybe popping a few screws in with these self-threading tappers. Yeah, anyways, so what we're going to do, I have a 1 inch self-threader, 5/16 head, 1/4 inch washer. Going to use that, put it together. And then I have 24-inch poultry netting, 50 feet long. These have 1-inch holes. I know this is going to be backwards, but I just want to kind of tell you what we're working with here. And what we're going to do in the holes, we're going to start the self-threader on the end of the poultry netting, start a couple top and bottom, pull against it, and then we're going to put the screw in the opposite side of the hole to keep it from getting some slack in it. And I'll do a close-up as we get going if that's not a good explanation of it, because I know that sounds pretty confusing. But anyways, the rain is trying to sprinkle a little bit on us right now, but we're going to see if we can work in what we're working in. If it gets too hard, then we'll stop and pick up on it at a different time. But anyways, if you don't mind, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe, and we're going to get into it.
Get back up in there, you don't have shoes.
There.
Trying to help you hold it down there.
You're not.
Sorry.
Pull the bottom of this that way. That'll help me work. Okay. Okay, so here, what we've done, let me try to get you over here. What we've done, we have the self-threader here with a washer, and see the V in the chicken wire, we've stuck that as far as we could over, and then we're pulling against that, so that way it doesn't have the slack in this poultry netting. And then we're going to pull it tight all the way down through here and fasten top and bottom ever so often, maybe every 6 inches or a foot. We'll just see what we need and go from there. But it shouldn't take too awful long, but getting it started to keep it tight, that's the key. Thumbs up from a helper. See here, like we're doing the washer on the self threader, and we're sticking it in right here, pulling tight, letting it slide off the drill. Bet you didn't plan for that step. And that holds it tight. And then at the bottom, now that we've got one side done, we can pull this bottom pretty tight. All right. think. Right here's the one we've been looking for the whole time. The last one.
Yeah. And now. And now they do that.
All right.
I'll let you speak.
All right, side cutters. Just gonna snip it.
Snap that one.
Here. And make sure you don't snap the ones that you've already put on.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell them, buddy.
Yeah, no color. I'm not dying that. Not today.
You gotta get right up. Go get his nice shot this eyeball.
Y'all drop some comments and let me know what you think of Jackson's eyes. See a lady killer. All right, that's good, buddy. Hang on. Okay, so we have that part done. I'll spin it around here and show you in just a second. We'll do a walk around. But pretty happy with how that turned out. The chicken wire stretched well. You know, a few little imperfections here or there, but I mean, it turned out nice. We have just shy of 100 screws with washers holding it on, and then I have a few screws in the in a few of the joints, like where I talked about in part 1, the different sections that I did not glue together, so just in case I had to take it apart to store better or pack away somewhere, you know, off to the side or whatever. Just in case I ever had to do that, you know, you can always take the chicken wire off, put it back, or take chicken wire off and, you know, and buy new, but you never know. So anyways, just in case. But I'll spin you around here and, well, let's see here. Yeah, this might work. But you'll see how I did this. Yeah, I'm going to spin you around. It'll make it a lot easier. There we go. Alright, so here was my joint. So obviously you'll see twice as many screws down through there. But we joined it right there so we'd have something good and solid to fasten to. Otherwise, if we'd have done it, you know, on out here or over here or anything like that, we'd have had to have more like little zip ties or something holding it together. And this is just better. So you'll see what I did. Try to keep it pretty stout. Corners turned out good. Curve wraps around nice. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed that part. And then next, we will measure and cut some pieces of roofing tin and put in the miscellaneous things like I got some eye bolts that I'm going to put in. We'll put some eye bolts in down here on this end where we'll be pulling it from. So I'll drill in these couple different places in the PVC pipe and run eye bolts through. That way, you know, we can put a rope or a dog tie out or something on there to loop across the hitch of the side by side. So that might work out pretty good to pull it with. Especially if I'm, for some reason, am not here, Courtney can easily come out back side by side up to it, loop it over and pull it, and it not hurt her at all. So that's all I have time for right now. But so we're going to join this video together with all that in a part 2. But I just wanted to, I'm going to have to get ready to go in. We are losing daylight. Doesn't look like it back there in the back, but we are losing some daylight here, and about 8 o'clock at night, and gonna go in and think about how we want to do the roof on this, and we'll get a few pieces of roofing tin one day and record putting that on there. Obviously, you know, it's getting ready to happen here in a few seconds, if you're watching this video. But anyways, stay tuned. Okay, so now sitting out here, I've got some old used roofing tin that I have here laying around the house. We're going to put on here, and you'll probably hear Jackson on the slip and slide over here, but yeah, he's having a blast. But anyways, we're going to run 14-foot runs down through here, and it'll take roughly four pieces wide, and so the last piece I'm going to have in 2 different pieces. That way I can use that last piece to move and get in there to put feed and water in. But anyways, I don't think we're going to start off by hanging the feeders just yet. We're not really sure. We're going to see what it does on the ground. Yeah, there's Jackson.
Hey, get one go.
No, don't shoot. Don't shoot the camera.
No, I got no water.
Okay, good. You got soap on your legs. You better go.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah. You gonna slide on it?
Yeah.
While you're soapy, you better slide.
Yeah, my mama will get wet.
Oh, okay.
My mama
All right.
get wet.
So anyways, I'm gonna work on putting this roofing tin on here, and then we'll get to the next step. Okay, so now we have the roof on. This next piece will just sit on there for right now, and we're gonna move around to fastening up the eye bolts that we're gonna pull it with. Okay, so I have these eye bolts that I'm going to use. They're 6 inches long, and the shank's about a 1/2 inch in diameter, and this should give me plenty of room to go through this PVC pipe and everything, and be able to tighten it up. I'm going to use washers on the ends and everything, and I'm going to come in, I'm just shy of 8 feet wide. I'm going to come in about 20 inches on each side, and that'll give me in the ballpark of 4 feet in between the two, so that should be a good width as far as hooking it up to be able to move it around.
Wow, what down? He went way down. He went down. Whoa. So whoa, Dada. Whoa. What's the name?
Now I have my eye bolts in, and I have this let's see, 15-foot dog tie out for pets up to 150 pounds. So this should work out pretty good. It'll clip on the end, and we'll put it, yeah, that's right. Yep. And that means thumbs up on the video. That's right. Say thumbs up and subscribe.
Yep.
Yep. Say subscribe.
Yeah.
So we'll clip it on here, and then we'll let part of the cable go around the hitch of the side by side. If I need to put a cable clamp, after, you know, on a certain area to where the hook on the side by side, not sway side to side, side by side, side to side, then I'll do that. But we're gonna see what happens here and move it around the front and get the chickens in there.
Yep.
Yep.
And
There comes Mom on the side by side.
yeah. Mama, no.
Huh?
Mama, you dad. Who's that?
All right, watch out.
Who's that? The
You ready to play?
dada. Oh, Mama, go on this way. You want to the dada?
Jackson, move. You're in the way, man.
Hey, Mama.
Alright, so here we go, we're giving it a shot. And it seems to be working. Awesome. Looks good. So here it is. We have our meat chickens inside our chicken tractor. You've seen it start moving. Didn't get to film the rest. I just wanted to follow along with Courtney and make sure it was staying on there, and everything stayed on there perfectly fine. No issues at all. And we were trying to hurry to beat dark and everything, so I didn't get a chance to record. I plumb forgot to set up a tripod to put in the chickens. But anyways, we've got our grit mixed in with our feed there on the right, eating away. And then we have our water there. That's right here, 30-pound feeder, 5-gallon water. And out of the 30 chicks, we had 27 to survive so far. Hopefully we keep that. But everything seems to be doing good, and they're going to town. This over here, there was a piece of concrete from this old barn that I cut up yesterday, so I wanted to put them in here and let them scratch around and fertilize, and let them, you know, do their thing in there. And then tomorrow when I move them, I will throw out some grass seed, I believe. And yeah, but they're loving it. They found some little worms and everything in here. Things are going good. Oh, and right here for tonight, I have this weighted down. I have some hinges I'm gonna put back here on the metal, so that way it'll hinge up, I believe. I mean, if this works, I'll just let it be, but you know, we'll see. But I think I'll put the hinges on there, but you never know. We'll see. Okay, y'all, that's all we have for you today. I hope you've enjoyed the videos. You know, we pieced a few together on this one because, you know, between weather and time and everything with work and all that mess, you know, it was a little difficult to, you know, do everything at once. But we've got them in here. These chicks will be, you hear a train way down the road. These chicks will be, I hope you can hear me. These chicks will be 2 weeks old tomorrow. So I wanted to get them out on pasture, quote unquote, at the around the 2 week mark. We're going to try to do a processing at I guess 8 weeks, give or take a couple days, but I believe that'll all work out pretty well. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you've enjoyed this. We'll get some more footage and everything of the chickens and everything as time goes on. But you know, if you don't mind, hit that thumbs up button. We really appreciate it. Oh, here comes my bud. He's in his pajamas. All right, so we've got the chicken tractor done, right?
Yeah, I got my phone up.
Yep, you got the. All right, hang on. He's eating a chewy bar.
Yeah.
All right, so thumbs up button. Yep, and subscribe.
Guy.
Yep, guys, subscribe. We really appreciate that. In fact, they like our chickens.
Yeah.
They like our chickens. Yeah.
And what was the fire with?
But thumbs up button. If you like the video, we really appreciate it. Subscribe. That really help us out. Notification bell let you know when some more videos are coming out. And drop some comments. Let me know about what you like about my chewy bar eating, pajama wearing, water gun shooting little boy. But anyways, drop some comments below. Drop some comments below so that way we can kind of talk about things, and you can let me know the pros and cons of your chicken tractors, and let us know your thoughts on this one. But until next time, we'll see you then.
Yeah.
Yep. Say bye.
Bye.